Hospital-grade metal-clad cable is required in healthcare facilities, even when electrical equipment is not directly used on patients, for several reasons. Firstly, enhanced safety. Hospital-grade metal-clad cable consists of a copper or aluminum sheath. The sheath provides an additional layer of protection against electrical shock and short circuits compared to standard non-metallic metal-clad cables. This extra layer of shielding ensures that even if the outer jacket is damaged, the energized conductors remain isolated, significantly reducing the risk of electrical accidents. Secondly, reduced electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Hospital equipment is often highly sensitive to electromagnetic interference from electrical wiring. The metal sheath of hospital-grade metal-clad cable acts as an effective barrier against EMI. This minimizes interference with sensitive medical devices and ensures their proper functioning, which is crucial for accurate diagnosis and treatments. Thirdly, durability and resistance. Hospital-grade metal-clad cable is specifically designed to withstand the harsh conditions typical of healthcare environments. These conditions include frequent cleaning, disinfection processes, and potential exposure to various chemicals. Its durable construction ensures longevity and reliable performance over time, reducing the need for frequent replacements and maintenance. Fourthly, code compliance. In many healthcare facilities, the use of hospital-grade metal-clad cable is mandated by building codes and safety regulations. These regulations are in place to ensure the creation of safe and reliable electrical systems, particularly in patient care areas. Compliance with these codes is essential for the facility to operate legally and maintain accreditation. Therefore, even though the exam rooms may not have electrical equipment directly used on patients, the use of hospital-grade metal-clad cable is still essential to maintain the overall electrical safety and compliance within the healthcare facility. The enhanced safety features, EMI reduction capabilities, durability, and code compliance all contribute to a safer environment for both patients and healthcare professionals.